What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on Jasmy, guys. Yes, it is on the green side over the last 24 hours. However, over the week it is down 9% with a huge drop here earlier last week, early this week as well, and it is slowly starting to recover. So we'll be going through what is next for Jasmy for the rest of November, December, and also going into 2026. Again, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So it is on the lower side. Looking at both the indicators here at the bottom, we have the RSI, which is at 37 and 40, which is pretty low. Again, not too low, but it is below average, meaning the crypto is more on the undervalued side. Similarly, here at the top we've got the Bollinger Band, and the crypto is trading on the verge of the green line here, which is the bottom layer of the Bollinger Band. So that is indeed the essentially lower part, which means it is very, very close to being undervalued. So we need a slight recovery from Jasmy over the coming days, over the coming weeks. For most of November, we should see more green candles heading close up to about just around the 1 cent target to at least go towards the middle. And that's where, if we look at the previous charts or previous historical data, that's where it has essentially been. In late October and early November as well, we can see it has been close to the blue line here, but recently it has taken a hit, hitting red candles. But we should see a slow recovery from Jasmy over the coming days. Potentially by mid-November it should be heading over the 1 cent target. Zooming into the hourly chart to see a little bit more detail, we can see here it has been very volatile. It has been up and down, but the overall outcome has been more on the negative side. If we compare it to about well, we are looking at the hourly chart late October, early to late October, all the way up until now, it has lost a huge amount of value. So let's have a look at the monthly chart here. It is down a massive 30%, guys, which is not looking too great for Jasmy, hence why I am predicting a price correction. In this case, the correction is more likely to be on the green side rather than the red side. So bringing on the MACD indicator over on the hourly chart, we can see the MACD line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, which is fair enough. Minimal drops in value are predicted, as it is also currently dropping, and it is stabilizing itself around its current price range of 0.008 0.009 cents. In between that value is where it is fluctuating at the moment. But if we zoom into the 4-hour chart, I am predicting a bullish, it is looking quite bullish. So over the next few days, going towards the end of this week into next week, more increases in value are predicted, more green candles heading over the 1 cent target. And again, even though the crypto market is not looking too great, with Bitcoin down to nearly $100,000 from about 120 2 weeks ago, that is a major drop, which has had a major negative impact on the crypto market. Again, not just crypto, the stock market, everything is looking a little bit wary right now. So the best thing to do is just to wait for the crypto market to recover and buy crypto stocks on sale, is what I would say. But again, depends on what you're investing into. Make sure you do your due diligence, and also make sure you do your own research before you invest into anything, guys, because everyone is making random cryptos, which most of them are scams. So make sure you stay safe out there when investing into cryptocurrencies. But Jasmy is a crypto which I did invest a couple of years back, and I'm still holding on to it. I haven't sold it, I haven't bought more. For me, this one is a hold for the long term, which I'm still holding on to. But even if we look at the yearly chart here, it is down 54% over the over the year. And if we compare it back to 2021, it is down heavily down 99%. And we're not going to get into 4 years back. So I did not invest into 4 years ago. If you guys are wondering, I'm not on a 99% loss on Jasmy. But looking at the daily chart, it is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So going into late December, January, February, it looks like it is going to drop down further to where it is at the moment. But again, we never know. Any updates, any news that come across can have an impact on the value of Jasmy, which I will keep you guys updated on. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is down 34%, currently at $40 million, and I'm not predicting it to go up at the moment. Reason being is I'm not expecting any major changes on the value of Jasmy. Yes, I did say it is likely to recover, but does not mean I am predicting it to go for a major crash or a major increase. It is likely to hover around where it is at the moment. But that is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2025. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update. Until then, take care and peace.